Have you ever worked with messy data, duplicate entries, inconsistent formats, missing values, and ever wondered how to fix it? Then you're in the right place. In this video, I'll introduce you to data cleaning, why it is important, and some common data problems that can ruin your analysis. Understanding this is the first step to working with high quality data. Let's dive right in. Most of the time, they always tell data analysts to look for quality data, and most people just think that it's just the sources of their data, like where the data is coming from. And they forget that not cleaning your data with the right steps and the right way makes your data not to be a quality data. So today, I'll be introducing you to this data cleaning by first defining what is data cleaning. Data cleaning is identifying and correcting errors, inconsistencies, missing values, and duplicate entries in a data set. It ensures that your data is accurate, reliable, and ready for analysis. So now let's understand why data cleaning is important. Why is data cleaning important? It is important because if your data is messy, your result will be misleading. Whether you're analyzing sales data, scientific research, or any kind of data, bad data can lead to bad decisions because clean data equals to better insights. Now let's dive deep into some data problems. That is the problems that leads you to think about cleaning your data. When you talk about cleaning your data, many analysts focus on one, two, and forget the rest. But when it comes to data cleaning, some data sets has missing value problems, while some data sets has inconsistent formats, some duplicate entries. There are so many errors in data sets that makes you to focus on cleaning it adequately. So today, I'll focus on the steps involved in cleaning your data with Excel. There are other tools that you can use to clean your data, but for the purpose of this video, I'll be focusing on the steps involved in cleaning your data with Excel. Step number one is remove duplicates. In your data sets, some of the values there might be duplicated. That is called duplicate entries. So first of all, you remove duplicates from your data sets. Then the next step is handle missing data. In your data sets, check for blank cells and handle it. You can either remove it, you can either fill it, or you can either use other ways to handle it, but you have to handle your missing data. That's the second step. Then the third step is fix structural errors. What you need to do here is correct typo errors, naming errors. There can be some errors that you can cite. So that is what you need to do in this third step. And the fourth step is standardize data formats. Ensure that the date, numbers, text formats are consistent. Because if these are inconsistent, it can alter your results. The fifth step is flash fill for data transformation. And then the sixth one is series filling. Then the seventh step is find and replace inconsistencies. The eighth step is trim the spaces. You can do this using the trim feature of Excel. The ninth step is correct data types. This is very, very important. Ensure that the dates, numbers are in the right format. This is very similar to the fourth step, that is standardized data formats, but they are not the same. But you can actually work on these two at the same time, but they are not the same. I'm trying to break it down for you so as a beginner, you understand the differences. But as a pro, as someone who already mastered data cleaning, you can decide to do this ninth step and fourth step at the same time. Then the 10th step is handle outliers. This 10th step, you can do this using filtering techniques. Step 11 is use conditional formatting for errors. Highlight the missing or duplicate values. Step 12 is data validation. This step is very important. So now that you've learned what data cleaning is and why it is important, the next step is how to fix it. So in my next video, I'll introduce you to 3 tools that you can use for your data cleaning: Excel, Power BI, and Python. I'll be focusing on these 3 tools. I'll introduce you to these tools and in the situations where you need to use each of them. And then we'll proceed to how to do this data cleaning. So if you're an aspiring data analyst or a beginner data analyst who wants to learn how to clean data accurately and properly, then hit the subscribe button for more amazing videos like this. Until I see you next time, my name is Chimanwuso. Bye.